Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and our first video in which we'll be preparing a seafood that is loved by the GSBs of coastal Karnataka, which goes by the name Prawn Hinga Uddha, in which Hinga means hing or asofetida and Uddha means water. This dish tastes the best with another South Indian dish known as the neer dosa, and if you do not know how to prepare neer dosa, you can have it with rice idli as well. And I'm sure this dish will not leave a chance to tickle your taste buds. Now let's get straight into the recipe. So the first step involves the main ingredient, prawns. So here we have taken a kg of prawns and we separate the head from the body or the thorax while removing the outer cover of the prawns. Most people just remove and throw off the heads, but if you like eating the head region, you can keep it as well. Shouldn't be an issue. Okay, so once you've cut according to your need, the next step is obviously to clean the prawns with clean water. Now the prawns look clean and fresh. Let's just keep this aside and move on to making the masala or the Hinga Uddha. And for this you will need 1 scraped coconut, 25 red chilies, a big chunk of tamarind and piece of hing or asofetida. Once you have the ingredients ready on the table, next step is to make a fine paste out of it by grinding all the ingredients required for the masala in a grinder. And while grinding, make sure you have a thick paste. Do not add a lot of water because the prawns themselves leave out water while cooking, making the curry watery, which is not what we want. We want it to be on the thicker side. Once you're done grinding all the ingredients, transfer the masala to a vessel, and this is the consistency that you need to achieve while grinding the masala. So make sure you do not add too much water. Okay, so now the masala looks great and ready to go. The next step of the recipe is to add all the prawns that you have cleaned and start the boiling process. Once it starts boiling, simmer it for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the prawns in the vessel get cooked thoroughly. Now you can notice that the color of the masala has changed. Let's check if it has cooked thoroughly. And yes, it looks good to go, but to finish this off we shall add one last ingredient, that is a spoon of coconut oil. And with this we have our Prawns Hinga Uddha ready to be eaten. And like I said, this tastes the best with neer dosa but goes well with rice and idli as well. Choice is yours. Anyways, that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, drop a like. If you will try this recipe, drop a comment and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.